Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air, and today we are looking at a new carrier fan coil and ductwork that we just installed in an attic. I'm going to go through this installation, show you what we did and how we did it. So as always, please subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have any questions about this system, leave a comment in the section below. I'll be sure to get those answered for you. And if you're in the Orange County, California area and would like me to talk to you about your specific home and situation and possibly give you an estimate, I'd love to do that. You can reach out to me at albertair.com or call me at 714-526-6368. So today I'm going to show you this installation. This fan coil is a Carrier Performance Series variable speed fan coil, model number 40MUAAQ60XA3. And we also did all new ductwork in this attic before it was asbestos. So let's get right into it. Prior to putting this Carrier fan coil in the attic and doing all new ducts in this house, they had an old furnace in a garage, and then they had asbestos ducts. They did not have any cooling at all. So after going over different options with the customer, we decided on a heat pump system. So we installed this fan coil in the attic. We removed that old furnace from the garage, and we removed the old asbestos ducts by an abatement company. So to accomplish all that, we had to do a lot of infrastructure up here. So they did have an attic access that fit everything, which was nice, but we did have to put the unit on a platform right there. And then we have a platform on this side so we can access the unit. We had to run these refrigerant lines right here, and those go outside to the heat pump condenser that we did, which I'll do another video on that unit outside, so make sure to watch out for that. Underneath the unit we have a drain pan that encompasses the whole bottom of the unit, and we have the drain lines. We have a primary and secondary drain line, and then we have a shutoff switch on that. This is a variable speed fan coil. It's matched with a variable speed slimline condenser or heat pump condenser outside, so it will fluctuate its speeds. This is a very quiet unit, runs about 60 decibels. To get the electrical up here, we came off the main panel, and you can see on top of the unit over there we have a disconnect switch. So from the main panel we had to run a dedicated circuit for this fan coil in the attic. It cannot tee off and go anywhere else, so it is dedicated. It's a 20 amp 2-pole breaker in the panel, and then we ran number 12 wire up here to power the unit. Then we have all the ductwork that we did. So the asbestos came out, very small, undersized stuff, so we upsized everything. We redesigned the ductwork for optimal airflow. It's a 5-ton system, so it puts out up to 2,000 CFMs of air and will pull in 2,000 CFMs of air. So on the back side here we have the return plenum, which is right here. We cut 2 ducts. We have a 12-inch that goes to an office area, which that office is very large, about 400 square feet. It's over a garage and west facing, so we're pulling heat out of that area. And on the back side of this unit, it's very hard to see because it's a tighter attic on that side, but we cut another return off that side, and that goes over behind these ducts right here to a big supply or return grill in the ceiling, and that's an 18-inch, so it's pulling out 2,000 CFMs of air into the system. That's on the return side. Then on the supply side, we did all new ducts on that side. These are all R8 flex ducts, so they're very well insulated. They are code in this area in Southern California, so we ran all new ducts. We even cut some of the holes bigger in the rooms. The old ducts that were going there were very small, the grills were very small, and the boxes were very small. So we actually cut 3 new supply registers in the bedrooms upstairs, and then we added 3 new larger supply registers in the office as well as over the landing of the stairs, just to give it as much airflow as possible to cool this house down. It's 2-story, 2,600 square feet. So that's about it for this system. So let me know what you think. Please like this video, subscribe to our page for more videos like this. I think this is a great system. It is very budget friendly in terms of doing a heat pump system with a variable speed capabilities that this has. Make sure you visit us at www.albertair.com, and thank you for watching.